This is your feed on stock report for Tuesday, June 16th. Information provided on this report is supplied by various auction marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. In Central Alberta Monday, steers 900 plus 463 to 490, 8 to 900 510 to 539. 7 to 800 597 to $6, 6 to 700 625 to 670, 5 to 600 740 to 780, 4 to 500 772 to 905, 3 to 400 945 to 1010. Heifers 900 plus 405 to 432, 8 to 900 455 to 484, 7 to 800 496 to 506, 6 to 700 545 to 580, 5 to 600 620 to 650, 4 to 500 $7 to $7.90, 3 to 400 $7.50 to $8. Yesterday, younger bred cows that were scheduled to calve in the next couple of weeks traded from $4,700 per head to $5,900 per head. This Alberta Direct Cattle Sales Monday saw no new trade report. This week's show list has been compiled with volumes larger than the previous week. Higher fed prices are being paid for quick delivery cattle versus cattle that will be picked up in 30-plus days. For the week ending June 6th, Western Canadian fed slaughter totaled just over 30,000 head, 17% below last year. For the beginning of June, this is the smallest fed slaughter in over 20 years. Fed prices are close to annual highs over the past 5 years. First half of the year highs have occurred in June. In the cow trade in Central Alberta Monday, D1 to 2 cows 249 to 272, D3 cows 224 to 245. Bulls in Central Alberta yesterday brought 285 to 307. In the U.S., there is no new trade to report. Significant trade will likely be delayed until the second half of this week. Asking prices are poorly defined, but are expected to start at around $260 on a live basis. For-state show list volumes have been reported larger. Looking at the grain market, the weather and more premium has come out of the markets. Last week's World Supply and Demand report was also viewed as bearish. From a global perspective, corn production remains historically large, with record production forecasted for Brazil. From the recent highs in May, the December corn contract has declined 60 cents per bushel. National Bona cows averaged 332.66 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at 71.44, down 5 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange and mid-session trade, live cattle futures are as follows. June 251.32 up 70, August 245.87 up 262, October 240.15 up 335. This is Rodger with Canfax reporting for the Alberta Beef Producers.